Remy the rabbit and Olwen the owl became friends in the forest. Remy would hop during the day, while Olwen would fly at night. One day, Remy got lost in the dark. Olwen used her sharp eyesight to guide Remy home. Remy learned about Olwen's nocturnal world, and Olwen learned about Remy's love for gardening. Together, they explored the forest, with Remy showing Olwen the beauty of sunrise and Olwen showing Remy the magic of moonlight. Their friendship showed that even creatures with different habits can become close friends and appreciate each other's perspectives.